So for whom they are buying the property, that information we want to capture in this detailed form. There are certain things which are very important for you to convey to your customers. Those are your strengths basically. So I have devised a way in this inquiry form for your customers to tell you what are important things for them, and immediately you can understand whether you are going to providing those things or not. So that way instantly you can filter the customer. For example, if your customer want golf course and that is the must for your customer, obviously you are not offering golf course, so that is out of question. Now not many projects are offering golf courses, but I am just giving you an example, and that is an extreme example, I am aware of that, but it will help you in understanding